Piper McLean. I guess you could say I'm a pretty typical kid. I'm in 3rd grade. I love to do art projects. I really wish I could have a pet, but I'm allergic to everything. So I made my own pet out of slime. His name is Cosmo. Isn't he the cutest? You can read all about our adventures in our book, My Pet Slime. I'm going to share one of my favorite slime recipes with you. It's so easy to make. You'll need these ingredients: half a cup of white school glue, half a cup of water, food coloring, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 tablespoon of saline solution. Not all saline solutions work for making slime. Make sure it has sodium borate and boric acid in the ingredients. To begin making your slime, pour the glue into your mixing bowl. Then, add the water. To give your slime color, add a few drops of food coloring. I want to make purple slime, so I'm going to add a few drops of red and a few drops of blue food coloring. Stir the ingredients until it's one solid color. Next, add the baking soda and stir it until the mixture is nice and smooth. Baking soda helps thicken up the slime. Finally, add your saline solution that gives the slime its rubbery feeling. If your slime feels too sticky, add a few more drops of saline. Now comes the best part, playing with your slime! I hope you had fun making slime with me. Want to have more fun? Read all about my adventures with Cosmo in our book, My Pet Slime, only on Epic.